In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track KPIs in ClickUp. We'll start right from your ClickUp home view so everything is consistent and easy to follow. From here, look to your Spaces area and create a new space by clicking the plus icon. This gives you a dedicated place for KPI tracking, separate from other work which keeps your metrics clean and focused. When the space setup opens, choose Templates. Templates save a lot of time because they come with pre-built views, fields, and structures designed for metrics and goal tracking. Browse the available options and pick the template that best matches how your team reports on performance, whether that's a general KPI framework or an OKR-oriented structure. Don't worry if it's not perfect. You can customize labels and fields later. Click Use Template to apply it to your new space. You'll be prompted to give your template a clear title. Use something descriptive, like the quarter or department you're tracking, so it's easy to find and update. After naming it, click Use Template again to finalize. If the template includes sample data, use it as a guide to see how fields and views work, and then replace it with your own numbers when you're ready. Now, open the KPI view in the space. This is where your core metrics live. Review the columns for targets, current values, owners, and update frequency. As you track, keep entries consistent and use the same units so trends are reliable. Next, move to the summary view. This provides a snapshot of performance across your KPIs. Use it to spot what's on track and what needs attention at a glance. Filters and date ranges can help you focus on the current reporting period. Head into the departmental OKR view. This connects objectives to measurable key results so teams can see how their work contributes to bigger goals. Make sure objectives are specific and that each key result has a clear definition of success. Open the progress view to monitor completion and momentum. This is helpful for weekly check-ins. Are initiatives advancing as expected, or are there blockers? Switch to the timeline view to see schedules and dependencies. Use this to understand what needs to happen first and adjust timing if priorities shift. Finally, open the board view. This Kanban-style layout lets you move work through stages, making it easy to visualize status changes at a glance. As you click through these views, the combination of KPIs, summaries, objectives, progress, timelines, and boards gives you a complete picture of performance and execution all in one space.